Hello viewers, welcome to my channel How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie a reef knot. This knot is used to connect two ropes of the same diameter and can be used for general purpose applications, camping, and sailing. Start by crossing the two working ends. Loop back and cross again. Both loose ends should face on the same side, then tighten. This knot is stronger than both the granny and thief knots, but is only intended to be used on a temporary application. While it can withstand high loads, as a safety precaution, stopper knots should be added. This knot can fail if a working end is pulled away. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.